Mail call. This right here, my friends, is a pellet stove. This is the King, what is this? King Deluxe Pellet Stove. Supposed to heat an area of 2,200 square feet, and I've got, I don't know, maybe 1,000 square feet down here. So hopefully this does the trick. We'll see. I got a ton of wood pellets to go with it. I'm gonna get this thing going. Alright, here it is. The King Deluxe. Pretty nice. First time opening it. Right here. Got some silica. Big old silica pack down there. That's where the pellets are gonna fall into. Come right out that hole. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Fill it up. Looks like there's more of a handle to it that I can slide onto there. United States Stove Company, keeping North America warm since 1869. KP 130. Whatever that means. So here's the owner's manual along with the remote, because it's got a remote and a little knob to the handle for grip. Got something in there, got something in here, another silica gel pack. This is the hopper right here. Here's the outlet cord right there. This is where you fill your pellets in. Set this down. Open this up. Screws. Like a thermostat. We got ourselves what it looks like a thermostat, possibly. Yep. Thermostat right there. What's this in that box? It's a thermostat. Piping, some ducting, some more ducting, screws, four clamps, what is this? Metal tray of some sort. And we have this. Looks like a mounting plate or something. another mounting plate, flat one. And the box is up. Turn that down low. This up. Alright, this is the fresh air intake. Right here. So that's that. That's everything that was in the package. Standard US power cord. Completely standard. Let's open this up. Got the handle. Got the remote. For the thermostat. And there's also this right here, so you can do the hand controls. I don't know if you have to point the remote at this for the remote to work. Man, it's cold down here. I can see my own breath. Good thing I got this thing. Got a deal on it at Tractor Supply. It was like $880 for a pellet stove. And I bought that kit right there, the ventilation kit, and 1 ton of pellets, and it all came to like $13.50. So we got our hookups back here. Oh, look at that. US Stove Company, made in China. Just to let you know, it's made in China. So I'm gonna see what I can do about hooking this thing up, and we'll get back to you guys. Alright. Alright, so here I am 5 days later. This thing still doesn't work. It's been reading the error code number 3 the whole time. It has not turned the blower on once to heat anything up. It's been pushing off radiant heat the whole time. I don't know if you can see that, but that's still my cold breath. My hot breath in this cold room. So yeah, I got this pellet stove. It hasn't worked once. It's the King Deluxe from US Pellet Stoves, or US Stove Company, United States Stove Company. The thing was made in China in the first place. No wonder it doesn't work. So it's actually getting back onto this pallet, and I'm going to strap it down and take it back to the store because I bought a different one that's being shipped to Tractor Supply right now, It's a Ashley Mini, so hopefully it works. Because this one didn't. This one's junk. And I got it basically cleaned out as much as I'm gonna clean it out. And there were some pellets on the floor and some left in the container, so I just threw them in there. Right here is everything that it came with. I just put it back in there. That's where it was when I found it. I think. I can't remember. I think those boxes were in there. But yep, just going back to the store. I recommend not purchasing anything from US Stove Company because they are liars. Their customer service is junk, and there's no technicians that would work on this machine. So I recommend not buying it or anything from US Stove Company because it's probably made in China anyways. Thanks for watching.